Welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how you can get Apple Vita software update on MacBook, that is Mac OS latest version. So let's get started. At first, you have to go to the beta.apple.com on your Safari browser. After that, you have to sign in with your registered ID, Apple ID that you are using on your MacBook. After that, click on Get Started. When you click on Get Started, this type of screen will pop up. After that, you have to do nothing and allow some agreement. I have already allowed that agreements. And after that, you have to go to the system settings. Here you can find system setting. Click on at the Apple logo, and after that you can find the system settings. Click on that, and after that go to the general section, and after that you have to click on the software update, and after that you have this type of option beta updates, and click on I. And particularly by default you can see that there is off option, and you have to select the macOS Sequoia public beta. Select and done. Boom, you have already done the correct setting. And after that some loading, you can see that the macOS Sequoia 15.0. as you know that for normal user macOS 14 is available, and for beta user or for advanced user macOS 15 is out, so that you can get these types of updates. You can see that, and click on upgrade now, and you will see the downloading process, and after that your MacBook will restart, and you will use the latest version of macOS. And please do this carefully. We are not responsible for any time of data loss or anything. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon and set notification to all. Like and share with others.